Whatever. This is our seating arrangement about Indian perimeter. We got a question and we learn thinking skills. By if we have some situation like this, we would be easier to solve. Please come.
What happened?
Please come. This is our critical thinking. We did it on our unit explorations.
Okay.
And this is our international mindedness.
What is that?
It is like we have American festival, Halloween. We have the third language, Spanish. We celebrate different weeks like ICT week, the English week, Maths week. So that's all about international. And some things like, see, ma'am got a newspaper note about the new Titanic being made in China. Then about an Indian monument in space. When Sunita Williams went second time in space.
Okay.
This is our strategy kit.
What is it?
Strategy kit.
Okay, what do you do here?
These are all the strategies which we do, and for which unit which we do, we mark that here.
Okay.
This is our jumble bumble. When we finish, we put that one. And this is our jumble bumble. Ma'am gives every end of the day on jumble. We have to solve it.
Okay.
Like all this. And I've got 8 of them.
You got 8 of them. Very good.
This is a word wall.
Okay.
Here we do all the things which the words which we don't know and we have to learn in the unit.
Okay, fine.
And this my word was trachea.
Okay.
Please come on.
Okay.
Some other one of the friends, David circulatory system. How you press this and blood comes out from here.
Okay.
This is profiles.
Okay.
So, whatever profiles are developing, every month we keep putting it in.
Okay, speak a bit louder.
Okay, we put that all things there. Like I wrote knowledgeable because I was learning more about the product.
Okay.
This is a skeleton system.
Okay.
Photo.
Okay.
Now this is a market assessment.
Okay.
These are all conceptual agreements. Some we follow, some not.
Why?
There are some valuable. And this is our activity which we did in our class. The cause and connection.
Okay.
So like I choose joint pains. Adi choose this one. Cholesterol. Aryan chose one of these.
Okay.
This one.
Okay.
Stomachache.
Okay.
Please come. This is the nervous system. We
Okay.
learn more about nervous system. Mine is somebody who has explained in detail. We just did it in brief. This is our statement. And full form is International Banking Organization. This is the code of learning. Please come. In the starting of the unit, we did this activity, and my one was this one.
Which one?
Nervous system.
Okay.
And Aryan's was excretory system.
Okay.
We made the working models of what we did in the starting. This is our responsibilities towards our body. This was my group.
What was it?
It was not something we just had to write four things how to keep it. Please come. This is a spelling of a unit like the TDP, a transdisciplinary team. So that is who we are. the international system, the lines of inquiry, the function and connection and responsibility. We are on third line of inquiry.
Okay.
These are the reflections on the heartbeat. Our confidence focus on the heartbeat.
Where's yours?
It's up on These are reflections.
Where is yours? Where is yours?
Very sorry.
Okay.
This is a fishbowl strategy and ripple effect strategy.
What is this?
The ripple effect is when a stone, we throw a stone in the water, how the waves go like that. And fishbowl is we make the bone of a fish and ride in that.
Okay.
Then this is the respiratory system and digestive system.
Okay, where is yours?
That's in the portfolio.
Why?
This is our X-ray diagram strategy.
Okay.
We have to make like this in X-ray and write organ, what is respiratory system and all. This is our skeleton system drawing. That we learned in the home and we have to break it in the class.
Okay.
This is my model.
Oh wow.
Yes, again.
Very nice.
I painted this. And I put the acid yesterday because this broke. Then I put the tape over here to stop it.
Okay. Nice, thank you, ma'am. Lot of hard work. A lot of time it took to
Yeah,
me.
I told them I said we should have done it in school, you know.
Yeah, actually they wanted to. I wanted
Told
to.
me, he said the pipe was very hard. She was unable to.
They were unable to stick it. That's why, because I was, first of all they'll do it in school.
Yeah.
But when I realized it's difficult for them to stick it, I know that wire and all I would have given them, but it's risky, you know, with the kids.
Like that day, somebody wanted to cut that, so asked for a cutter. I said no. You know this cut out here? So I said no, cutting wala kaam main karungi. I assist them.
Okay, then next time.
I assist them. It's not that.
Please come on.
Okay. But now once you need another balloon for this?
No, it's taken with the thing.
Sure?
See, touch it.
It won't come out, no? Sure, no, that water won't come out. I think it will, Vansh.
We have to keep it working till Seema ma'am will come back, you know.
This is comparing alien methods.
Okay.
We got a perimeter of 30 centimeters and we had to make different connections like 12 up, 12 down of a rectangle and 3 by 3.
Okay.
So like that and this one is mine.
Okay.
Then this is the respiratory system.
Put it started still, na?
Huh?
Work it now. Very good. Leave it down, leave it.
This is a reading log. Whichever books we take from here, we take the name of it.
Okay.
These are other summative assessments.
Okay.
Please come on. This is our Hindi work, Apna Gaon. This was what we saw in the Gaon.
Which gown?
We had a lesson Apna Gaon.
Okay.
And this is that Gantantra Divas.
Okay.
Behind this are attitudes
Okay.
in Hindi.
Okay.
This is, we have to make what different systems in Hindi.
Okay.
Me, Adi and Aryan made skeletal system.
What is skeletal system called in Hindi?
Kankal Tantra.
Very good.
Then we had a group activity. We were a group and this was my group.
What is this?
इस कहानी के बारे में एक अनुच्छेद लिखे तथा चित्रों द्वारा दिखाए.
तो आपने क्या दिखाया है?
That how was that why and what characters were there.
Okay.
Please come.
Okay.
These are our questions what we want to know.
Okay.
And my question is somewhere here. My question I wrote was, why does brain gives command to our every organ?
Okay.
And this is our perspective layout on a line. Products from different parts of the world in India have been very helpful to the Indians. So like I agreed to it and my friends one somewhat agreed to it and one more person totally disagreed to it.
Okay.
These are all students we have in our own syllabus.
Okay. Done? Then say thank you.
No, I'm sure you will. Please.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll do it on Monday. 0 period Monday, you can cancel.
What is this?
No, this is not mine. And I'm the best in computer science class.
Very good. Hmm.
Let it load.
Okay.
This is mind groups.
What is this?
This is a PPT on human body.
Okay.
We did it in our ICT class, but ma'am got a backup.
Okay. Enter. Wait. System is slow. Wait.
Yeah.
Question chat where we post our questions and our friends answer them. This is our perspective on the products from different parts of the world in India have been
Wait, let it load, then I'll show you by slide.
Some agree, some somewhat agree, some completely disagree.
See, this is our human body system.
Okay.
Yes.
What is human body? Human body is a very complicated machine. It has many organs. It works all day and all night, even when we are sleeping. These are how our bodies live.
Bring it here.
And this we have put an animation to show all the systems.
Very good.
See our skeletal system. We got a skeletal large here, and we got a skeletal system, which is a system which gives us supporting shape.
Very good.
Digestive system. This is digestive system. It helps us to digest the food. It helps us to digest the food. It has 19 organs, pancreas, glands, epiglottis, oesophagus, stomach, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, duodenum, small intestine, colon, appendix, rectum, anus, and
Listen, the little one family for lunchtime also she must come and meet her, you know.
Next one. Enter. Press enter. Wait.
this is the urinary system. We put a tap opening here to show how the urinary system works.
Okay.
The urinary system is the system what takes out the waste out of our body as urine. It has two major parts, the kidney and the bladder.
Okay.
Why don't you like my
Next.
We showed it for the muscular system.
Okay.
This is just an ending of the PPT. We have put many animations to show.
Very good.
Now last.
Today, I told my parents, he is Mr. Rajesh Taneja.
देखा मैंने प्रेजेंट करो उसको.
This is our final result and our academic honesty.
Very good.